Once again, good morning student. In previous class, I have discussed about solution, suspension and colloid. There are some differences among them. Now, I am going to discuss about the classification of colloid. Colloid not only contains solid and liquid. In some colloids, gas may also contain. So, as we know that there are two parts of the colloids: dispersed phase or dispersion medium. Dispersed phase means the substances that dissolves in other substance, that means solid substances, and dispersion medium, that means the substance that dissolves dispersed in phase in it. यानी डिस्पर्सन हम लोग उसको कहेंगे जो दूसरे सॉलिड को या दूसरे सब्सटेंस को खुद में मिलाता है, डिजॉल्व करता है। और डिस्पर्स फेज हो गया जो दूसरे में, जैसे हम लोग सॉल्यूशन में पढ़े थे, सॉलिड पार्टिकल्स और सॉल्यूट। तो सॉलिड सॉल्यूट दैट मीन्स दैट डिजॉल्व्स इन लिक्विड, और सॉल्वेंट द लिक्विड दैट dissolves solid in it. So in colloids, dispersed phase means that substances that mix into other substance or that dissolves into other substance. Or dispersed medium means the liquid or gas that dissolves other substance in it. So on the basis of dispersed phase present in dispersion medium, we can classify the colloids into 7 groups. The colloids are sol, solid sol, aerosol, emulsion, foam, solid film and gel. So what are the dispersed phase and dispersion medium in the given colloids? Here are the dispersed phase present in different colloids and dispersion medium present in different colloids. As for example, first one is sol. Sol is a colloid which contains solid and liquid. So solid mixed or dissolves in liquid. So solid is dispersed phase while liquid is dispersion medium. As we discussed that in colloids the particles are present, but the size of the dispersed phase is so small as we cannot see them. As soap solution, ink, pen. So ink contains some solid substances, but the particle of these solid substances are so small as we cannot identify them. So water that used in the liquid is dispersed medium, and the solid that is used to make ink is dispersed phase. So ink is the mixture of solid and liquid. Soap solution, paints are also mixture of solid and liquid. The solid that present in ink, soap solution, and paints are called dispersed phase, while the liquid that used in these substances are known as dispersion medium. Second one is solid salt. Solid salt means the mixture or colloid that contains both dispersed phase and dispersion medium solid. Both are solid. So dispersed phase is also solid and dispersion medium is also solid. Both are solid. As for example, colored gemstone. So colored gemstone, gem is a precious stone that contains two types of solid stone, two or more types of solid stones. So it is the mixture of two different solid substances, but there is very difficult to identify these solid substances which are dispersed phase and which are dispersion medium. Third one is aerosol. Aerosol is a type of colloid which contains solid and gas. That means solid mixed in gas. So solid is a dispersed phase and gas is a dispersion medium. As for example a smoke. As we know that a smoke produced on burning of any substance or exhaust gas released from automobiles or vehicles contains some soot particles and gases. So this is the mixture of, and this is the type of colloid which contains some solid particles and gas. So it is a mixture of solid and gas. Second type of aerosol is mixture of liquid and gas. And there are two types of aerosol. First is mixture of solid and gas, and second one is mixture of liquid and gas. So there are two types of aerosol. First one is mixture of solid and gas, and second one is mixture of liquid and gas. So liquid and gas example is hairspray, fog, that is also known as kuha, and mist. Fourth one is emulsion. It is a mixture of liquid and liquid. That means dispersed phase and dispersion medium both are liquids. दोनों इसमें आपके लिक्विड होते हैं. Milk, butter, face cream, these are the example of emulsion. That means they contains two liquids. Fifth one is foam. It is a mixture, type of mixture which contains gas and liquid. So gas and liquid, that means gas is dispersed phase and liquid is a dispersion medium. That means gas present in liquid. It is the type of colloids in which gas is little amount present in any liquid. As for example, shaving cream, soap bubbles. Next one is solid foam, which is a mixture containing gas and solid. इसमें गैस जो है किसी सॉलिड में मिला रहता है. तो गैस इज ए डिस्पर्स फेज एंड सॉलिड इज ए डिस्पर्सन मीडियम. Example is foam roller, bread. As we can see that bread is a soft, bread is a solid substance, but it contains little amount of gas. So